Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indoor dog pens that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Iris 8-panel plastic exercise dog playpen. These pet playpens are best sellers, and it's not hard to see why. Constructed of durable, heavy-duty molded plastic, the Iris exercise panel playpen can be used both indoors or outdoors. It's weather-resistant for use in the yard but has rubber feet to protect floors in your home. According to experienced dog trainer Andrew Garf of Train Your German Shepherd Dog, pet parents should look for pens with heavy-duty panels and small spacing to prevent escapes. The base model pen comes with 8 sturdy interlocking panels with heavy-duty wire spacers that you can position in different shapes to suit your pet's needs. You can remove a panel or two for smaller space, or if you have a larger pup, you can increase the size of the pen with add-on panels, available for separate purchase. And at 34 inches high, this pen can help to contain small and medium-sized breeds, and larger dogs who aren't jumpers. Moving on at number 4, we have the FXW Home Plus Indoor Dog Playpen. Dr. Cherry Hunnes, DVM and veterinary advisor to Bon Voyage Dog Rescue, has some specific recommendations for large dog pens, including pens that use materials such as reinforced plastic or metal, and heights that discourage jumpers. This pen checks those boxes. This indoor playpen comes in multiple sizes, including an option up to 40 inches high to help contain larger dogs. Made from sturdy fencing materials that also stand up to outdoor use, this pen can be assembled into a 6-sided pen or can be assembled to create a larger space up against a wall. It features silicone feet to protect floors, muffler tubing for a quiet experience, and a gravity lock closing system to contain any escape artists. If you need a larger version, FXW offers additional panels for purchase. And, if you love this pen, FXW also makes an outdoor version with supports designed to stake into the ground. At number 3, we have the Paw Hut Heavy Duty Pet Playpen. Dr. Sabrina Kong, DVM and veterinary contributor at We Love Doodles, recommends a few features for dogs who are prone to escapes and chewing, including metal materials that are more resistant to chewing and taller heights. The Paw Hut Heavy Duty Indoor Dog Playpen has these features and more to help keep escape artists safely inside. This playpen features wood, plastic, composite and metal wire materials and can be configured in multiple shapes. This is a large capacity playpen, with a full length of 13.75 feet and a height of 24. While large, it can collapse for easy storage. This pen includes a locking door system that can be unlocked from the exterior only to help keep even crafty dogs inside. At number 2, we have the Ritual 3-in-1 Convertible Pet Pen. This all-in-one pet playpen is made up of 4 or 6 panels that click together. Use it as an exercise pen, or convert it to a freestanding pet gate and room divider. It's made from water-resistant materials, so it transitions from indoors to outdoors in a snap. When using this convertible playpen as a crate, you can use a floor mat or tray, sold separately, for padding and protection. Or, set it up as a gate to keep your dog out of off-limits spaces. The panels are 31.5 high and the playpen can be configured in an enclosure for a maximum length of 68.9. And finally at number 1, we have the PGYuCien Foldable Dog Playpen. This indoor dog playpen is available in 2 different heights, 24 and 30 inches, to accommodate different-sized pups. This pen is unique because it includes a covering made from mesh and Oxford fabric that discourages your dog from jumping, while also creating a comfortable kennel-like atmosphere. And, if you wanted to bring the pen outside, the cover provides UV protection. This pen is easy to set up and folds flat for storage. The metal wire panels are sturdy and double-coated to prevent wear. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon